Alright, let's look at the practice exam 1, problem number 2. Alright, so you have f of x equals square root of x plus 2, and then we want to find the f inverse of x. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, first step was replace f of x by y, so I'm going to do that. Y equals square root of x plus 2. Right, then we need to solve for x, so I guess I'm gonna square both sides so that we can get rid of square root. So you have y squared is equal to x plus 2. Right, then I'm gonna isolate x by subtracting 2 from both sides. So we have y squared minus 2 is equal to x. And then we're going to switch x and y, so probably switch x and y. So we're going to have x squared minus 2 is equal to y. Alright, so therefore the formula for f inverse is going to be x squared minus 2. Right, so that's the formula. Alright, then state the domain of f inverse. Right, but the domain of f inverse is the range of the original function. Right, so original function is actually here. So it looks like range is going to go from 0 and to infinity. So answer is, here, domain of f inverse is equal to the range of f, which is from 0 to infinity. So all non-negative real numbers. Right, so that's that. Alright, part C. Sketch the graph of f inverse. Right, so in order to sketch the f inverse, we're going to draw a y equals x line. So I'm going to draw a dotted line here, right, for reference. Right, since the graph of f inverse and the original function f, it's symmetric about this dotted line. Right, so I'm going to just try to sketch this. So here it's going to be reflected here. I'm going to just look at the certain points. So this is going to be somewhere around here, and this point is going to be reflected over here, and this guy is going to stay there, and this point is going to be about so it's going to go here and around here. Right, so I'm going to just connect those together, so it's going to be symmetric. So it's going to look kind of like this, going through there, whoops, going through there and there. Right, so actually, can I redo this? Alright, I'm gonna do this carefully. So it's gonna go through there, and it's gonna go through there, it's gonna go through there, and that. Right, so it looks like that. So that's the graph of f inverse. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.